Tonight, Kharkiv endured its darkest hours yet. Ukraine's second-largest city was hit by the most intense Russian drone attack since the full-scale invasion began. At least 3 people are confirmed dead, and 21 more injured, including a 1-month-old baby. The scale of destruction is staggering. According to Kharkiv's mayor, Ihor Terakov, nearly 50 drones rained down on the city overnight. Multiple residential buildings took direct hits, turning quiet neighborhoods into chaos. Emergency crews rushed through the night, rescuing those trapped and tending to the wounded. This wasn't an isolated incident. In Kherson, 2 more civilians lost their lives when strikes hit homes in the middle of the night. All of this follows a wave of violence sweeping across Ukraine on June 6th, where 6 people died and 80 were injured. Russia says these attacks are retaliation for a Ukrainian drone strike last weekend. The conflict is clearly escalating. Each side is stepping up military action, making daily life more dangerous for millions. The world is watching, and international leaders keep urging restraint and pushing for diplomatic solutions. But amid all this pain, I see something remarkable. Ukrainian communities are standing strong. People are helping each other, rebuilding what's been lost, and refusing to give up hope. As Kharkiv's skyline glows at dusk, it's clear that Ukraine's spirit remains unbroken. The struggle is far from over, but the resolve to defend their sovereignty and support one another is stronger than ever. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for the latest updates and stay safe out there.